Meaning of Faneuil Hall.
Faneuil Hall.
Faneuil Hall.
Faneuil Hall.
Faneuil Hall. Faneuil Hall is a marketplace and meeting hall located in Boston, Massachusetts. It was built in 1742 and named after its donor, Peter Faneuil, a wealthy merchant. The hall played a significant role in American history, as it was the site of many speeches and debates by Revolutionary War patriots like Samuel Adams. Today, Faneuil Hall is a popular tourist attraction and shopping destination, featuring restaurants, boutiques, and street performers. It is often referred to as the Cradle of Liberty due to its historical importance in American democracy.